Hi, I am Ben the Learner, and today I'll discover if it was the motor that was the problem with my Roomba. Welcome to this episode. So a few weeks ago now, I tried to repair my Roomba and there's something that doesn't really work, so I encourage you to see that video if you didn't see it. So basically, this part is not going well. So what is the reason why I really like my Roomba? It's because of what you're seeing in the background. I have birds. Really gentle birds. Hey, how are you, my friends? Well, I think that they don't want, they're not sociable today. So I ordered a new motor for that instrument. And that's the time to see if it works. Let's do it. Oh, they give an extra one. That's so incredible. I'm so happy. Oh. Well, right now we can see a difference. Here I can just, it moves very freely, while here there's resistance. So there's a hope. There's a hope that it was really the motor that was dead. So let's go. Let's try to remove that motor. That's a really well machine. It's almost, I think it's 5 years old now. So this is the part I think was the problem. Now I got to remove this. There seems to have a gap here. I don't really like that. I'm gonna try it to see if it works, but I have a doubt here. It was not like this. At least we'll see if the thing turns. Let's go. Let's try that. Oh, the motor is working. Well, it looks it works. It's a good news. So I'll try to see what's the difference in the gap, and I'll see if it works more than 1 week. That was Ben the Learner with the Roomba. Hell, it's still not finished. I just want to say that I reassemble it, I remove it, put it back. And I think that it's just because I didn't press enough on it. There's like a spring, and now the gap is quite good. And now what I want to highlight is this part. It's really dirty, and I think I'm gonna buy another one of this, and I'm gonna do a video for that. However, I think it's repaired now. It's gonna be a little bit more efficient with this part repaired, but I think I still want to have another one soon, maybe this summer. And the new one, apparently you can just look at it, and by Wi-Fi you can say which room you want to do. It looks like it's gonna scan the whole room. This one does not do that. So I'm really opening my mind to buy another one. Really a good machine. I'm gonna do a video just to explain how I feel about it. And keep in mind, I have that since July 2013, so it means that it's quite robust. So see you on the next episode of Ben the Learner.